Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you not just as a speaker, but as a steward of timeless wisdom. I am here to delve into the profound depths of a subject that holds the power to transform lives, shape destinies, and chart the course towards financial abundance: the psychology of money. Understand this, my friends, money is not merely currency. It is a reflection of our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. The way we think about money shapes our financial destiny more than we might ever realize. The psychology behind wealth is as significant as the tangible strategies we employ. Let me begin by emphasizing that wealth is not merely a result of luck or fate. It's a consequence of our attitudes, habits, and mindset. Your current financial situation is a direct reflection of your thoughts about money, the actions you've taken, and the habits you've cultivated. Firstly, let's address the mindset. The way you think about money lays the foundation for your financial success. Your beliefs about money, whether inherited or self-constructed, play a pivotal role in shaping your financial destiny. If you hold on to limiting beliefs such as money is the root of all evil, or rich people are greedy, you unknowingly repel wealth from your life. Embrace a mindset that welcomes abundance. See money as a tool for good, a means to provide for your family, contribute to society, and live a fulfilling life. Secondly, let's discuss the power of vision. The ability to envision your financial success is paramount. Create a vivid mental picture of your desired financial future. Visualize the lifestyle you desire, the places you want to travel, the impact you wish to make. This vision will serve as your guiding light, motivating you through challenges and driving you toward your goals. Now let's dive into the realm of habits. Our daily actions, our rituals, and our routines dictate our financial fate. Discipline yourself to adopt positive financial habits. Save diligently, invest wisely, and continuously educate yourself about money. Remember, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and what you do with it that matters. Moreover, understand the profound impact of compound interest, not just in financial investments, but in personal growth. Consistent efforts compounded over time yield remarkable results. Small, consistent steps toward financial literacy, prudent financial decisions, and persistent effort will yield exponential growth in your wealth journey. Furthermore, the company you keep significantly influences your financial trajectory. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire, challenge, and uplift you. Associate with people who have achieved what you aspire to accomplish. Learn from them, absorb their wisdom, and leverage their experiences to accelerate your own financial growth. Let's not forget the importance of resilience and adaptability. Financial storms are inevitable, but how you weather them defines your success. Embrace failures as learning opportunities, pivot when necessary, and persist in the pursuit of your financial goals. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, never underestimate the power of giving. As paradoxical as it may sound, the more you give, the more you receive. Generosity is a hallmark of the truly wealthy. Give without expecting anything in return, and you'll witness the abundance that flows back into your life. You see, in this vast tapestry of existence, we are each equipped with a remarkable and unique gift, the gift of continuous learning and personal development. Our minds are akin to fertile soil, capable of nurturing seeds of wisdom, ideas, and skills that, when cultivated, have the potential to yield a harvest of abundance and prosperity beyond measure. Let me emphasize this fundamental truth. Your level of success in life, both financially and personally, is directly proportional to the depth of your commitment to expanding your knowledge and honing your skills. You cannot expect to reap bountiful rewards if you sow meager seeds of understanding. The world, dear friends, rewards those who invest in themselves and their growth. Think about it. Those individuals who have scaled the summits of financial success, the visionaries, the trailblazers, the titans of industry, what sets them apart? It's their insatiable hunger for knowledge, their unrelenting pursuit of self-improvement, and their unwavering dedication to continuous learning. They understand that the path to greatness is paved with a commitment to personal development. Education is not confined to the walls of institutions. It's a lifelong journey, an odyssey of discovery that extends far beyond formal schooling. It involves devouring books that ignite your imagination, seeking mentors whose wisdom illuminates your path, attending seminars and workshops that expand your horizons, and embracing experiences that challenge and mold you into a better version of yourself. Moreover, the acquisition of knowledge is not an end in itself. It's a means to an end, a catalyst that propels you toward financial independence and freedom. As you expand your intellectual arsenal, you acquire the tools necessary to navigate the complexities of the modern world. You gain expertise, refine your skills, and position yourself as an invaluable asset in the marketplace. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, the currency of success is not solely measured in monetary terms. It's also a reflection of your intellectual capital. The more you know, the more you can contribute. The more you can contribute, the more value you can offer to others. And as you continue to deliver value, the universe has a magnificent way of reciprocating abundantly. Furthermore, let me dispel a common misconception, a fallacy that shackles many aspiring individuals, the belief that financial independence is an elusive dream reserved for the select few. Nothing could be further from the truth. Financial independence is not a stroke of luck or a distant mirage. It's a tangible reality within your grasp, achievable through diligent pursuit of knowledge and a commitment to personal growth. Understand this. You possess within you the raw potential to carve out your own destiny, to design a life of abundance and prosperity. But this potential remains latent until you unlock it through the power of education and personal development. Your ability to adapt, innovate, and thrive in a constantly changing world hinges upon your willingness to invest in yourself. Moreover, the pursuit of knowledge and personal growth is not solely about amassing wealth. It's about crafting a life of fulfillment, joy, and contribution. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, not just for your own sake, but for the betterment of humanity. When you expand your knowledge and refine your skills, you become a beacon of inspiration, a catalyst for positive change in the lives of those around you. Now, my friends, let me leave you with this profound truth. Your future is not a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice. The choice to embark on a relentless quest for wisdom and self-improvement. The choice to commit to a path of lifelong learning. The choice to harness the transformative power of knowledge as the catalyst for achieving financial independence and ultimate freedom. So, I implore you, embrace the journey of personal growth and education with unwavering determination. Cultivate your mind, nurture your talents, and never cease to expand the boundaries of your understanding. For in doing so, you pave the way for a life of unparalleled abundance, success, and freedom. The life you truly deserve. Thank you, my friends, for allowing me to share these timeless truths with you. Remember, the key to unlocking the doors of opportunity lies within your commitment to continuous learning and personal growth. Dare to dream, dare to learn, and dare to transform your life beyond imagination. Your future awaits, and it's brimming with endless possibilities. God bless you all on this magnificent journey of self-discovery and achievement.